The next part is that is functions and powers of national human rights commissions. So these are the various powers or functions of NHRC. So the first is NHRC investigate grievances regarding the violations of human rights. Means grievances means you call as it is called as problems means in here what does this NHRC investigates what are the various problems that violating the human rights, either suo moto or after receiving a petitions. See here, suo moto means it is one kind, it is used in situations, means it is used in situations where government or court officially acts of its own. Okay, first what does national human rights commissions investigates the grievances, means what are the various problems that violating the human rights. It may either from suo moto or after receiving a petitions. Suo moto means where it is a situation where government or court acts of its own. Okay, second is it has a power to interference in any judicial proceedings involving any allegations of the violation of human rights. Means it has a right, means NHRC has a right to power to interfere in any judicial proceeding. Means what are the proceedings have been giving against the violations, they can interference in that and can solve the problems of the allegations of the violation of the human rights. Okay, next third is it can visit, means this NHRC can members can visit any jail or any other institutions under the control of state government. Means under the control of in every state government these members can visit the jail or any other institutions to see the living conditions of the inmates. So here inmates means prisons prisoners. Okay, prisoners, and to make recommendations thereon. Means this NHRC can go to the any institutions in every state government to see the living conditions of the prisons, how they are living, and to make recommendations thereon. Okay, next it can review the safeguards provided under the constitutions or any law for the protection of human rights and recommend appropriate remedial measures. Means it can give any solutions for the safeguards, means to under constitutions and to the law, and to make any protections to protect the human rights, and they give some important measures to overcome the problems. Okay, next is National Human Rights Commissions undertakes and promotes research in the field of human rights. Means this they can promote this NHRC through the various methods and make some important research methods, mean how we can improve the human rights of the every individuals. Okay, next is NHRC works to spread human rights about literacy. Means they spread about the literacy, means to develop the literacy among the various section of the society. Means every society they promote awareness about the literacy and promotes awareness of the safeguards. Means they protect this they protect the human rights available for the protection of these rights. How? Means through publications, through media, seminars, and other means NHRC spread human rights literacy among the various society. Means to develop the human rights every individuals, means how they develop the rights through publications like media, print media, or seminars and other means of communications. Next, the communication takes an independent stand while opinions for the protection of human rights with the parallels of the constitutions or the law of time of being enforced. Next, it has a power of civil court and grant intermediate relief means it has a power like civil court means every district have the civil court. What are the powers they have? The same power have like in NHRC and in the grant relief. Next, it also have the authority to recommend payment of compensation or damage means they have the authority to pay back the any compensation of damage in any kind of field. Next, NHRC is duly reflected in large number of complaints received everywhere and the trust reposed in by the citizens. As a whole, every year they can it comes 1 lakh cases to this NHRC means it is where the large number of complaints come to them. As I told in previous video, I think approximately 1 lakh cases will be come to this NHRC in the large number of complaints received every year or each year. And the trust response means they solve the cases with the trust respond by to the citizens. Next, it can recommend to the both central and state government to take suitable steps to prevent the violation of human rights. Okay, what he recommends means it tells to the central government as well as state government to take necessary steps to protect the violation of human rights means to take some major actions or to protect our human rights. Also, what it does, it submits its annual report to the president means every year it submits annual report to whom he submit to the president of India, who causes it to be laid before each house of the parliament, where president takes the cases laid each house of the parliament.